What's going on, my friends? Cool Andy here, and I want to share with you guys a video. I had this dead bike, and I had this kickstand that come with it, and it's a pain in the neck because sometimes you don't have it around when you want to park or when you want to stand it, and then you have to find a place to rest the bike. It's just not a good practical idea if you have a deck motorcycle. I'd rather have a kickstand, one of these, and I want to show you guys, I want to share with you guys, I found this one here. This one worked perfectly, guys. I tried different ones, but none of them work so good like this one. I'm gonna show you. This is the one. They're not paying me anything, I'm not advertising anything, but this is the one that works perfectly for this motorcycle, and it's so easy to install. And I'm gonna do it right now in the video in front of you guys for the first time that I'm gonna install. I'm gonna do it right now so you guys can see how easy it is. You just hook it in here. Usually here is where you put your kickstand, this triangular thing that comes with it, that you have to always have it around to be able to use it to park your motorcycle. But this, once you get this installed here, it's so easy. So we have to take this screw off. You know, a lot of times that I'm coming for riding it, and then I let this in another part of the house. I always have to lay the bike, find a place to lay the bike, and it's just, and if you're riding around and somewhere and you don't have it, then you have to find a place to lay your bike. So one of these is so nice. The other one that I had it, and I never have to worry about it. But this one didn't come with it, and I just bought this one right now. I bought a few to try, but this one, guys, is perfect. And it's an easy installation. Anybody can do this. Alright, my guys, if you are trying to install the kickstand, like I showed you, we had an issue with this here, where you put the triangular kickstand that was pushed that way, so the screw didn't go in straight, so the thread was kind of forcing to get in. So what we did, we pushed it out a little bit, and now we were able to get the screw in, and we are tightening it now. So in case you run into that issue, you know what to do. You just have to push this one out a little bit. Now this is gonna be great because I cannot stand not having to be looking for this piece of junk every time, and you have to bring it with you everywhere you go. And that's tying off, and now let's tie this screw here. And this is just so easy to install. 2 screws, that's it. You lose this one and tie that one up, and you got a kickstand. No more hassle. Great. Let me see how it works and show you guys too. Perfect. There you got it, my friends. If you didn't know, now you know. Thanks to your friend Cool Andy. I'll see you in the next one. GG.